So it's time to go. I think I have everything, and I'm going downstairs, going to pack the car and then drive to Zurich, which is 1 hour and I think 30 minutes, but the Navi will tell us how long it will take. So see you in the car. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to a day in my life. So today is Saturday the 25th of July, and I'm gonna show you what I do on a normal Saturday. So on Saturdays I usually go live on YouTube and share food cultures. So in today's live we're gonna go Oriental, and we have the catering service Laziza, and she's gonna share us something from Syria. So join me as I journey. I have to drive 1.5 hours to her place, and we're gonna go live with her. But before I do any of that, I just got out of bed and I'm gonna have my coffee. Hi guys, we are in the car. We are on our way going to Zurich. So see you when we get there. So what do I love? I love so many things. I love you. I love the world. But above all, I love freedom. I have the freedom to create content which inspires and motivates. And that's what I love more than anything in this world, is freedom. Freedom to love, freedom to care, freedom to inspire, freedom to motivate. He's supposed to be the cameraman. We have arrived and we're just preparing everything for the live. I've already set up the camera and the computer, and now it's just time to start. But before we start, we have to prepare the things. So this brings me to the second question. What do I fear? I fear the unknown. I fear things that I don't know, and that's the thing I fear the most. The unknown. Oh gosh. To the camera, just say hi. Did you start, David? Yeah. So guys, we're going live in I think 5 minutes. So we're really rushing to get everything going and everything done. Already we have the grape leaf. It's already cooked. And now we are gonna prepare, and look what Azza is doing. Azza is taking all the vegetables and preparing quickly because we have less than 5 minutes. So hi guys, we just got finished with the live, and now what is it called again? Yolonji. The yolonji is cooking. Look, that's the yolonji. And my Syrian friend made the yolonji, and we're waiting for it to cook. And I want to answer my third question. What would I change? That question is general, but I would change discrimination. If I were able to change anything at all, I would change discrimination amongst minority group. Psst. Catch you later. I'll video again when the almost no. I'll video again when the yolonjis are finished. Okay. See you soon. We cooked. Yeah. Yippee! Oh, that looks heavenly. Smells so good.
So, who is this? Him. Should we put it in Are you guys eating the potatoes? So,
Oh,
with
do you
this,
keep it with the juice or?
no, we will take a little bit of the juice here. We can add it later.
Okay.
Up, oops, up. So now we have enough. Add it here a little bit. Okay.
So guys, I'm gonna try the Asa, what is it called again? Yelonji. It's so juicy. And you know what I'm having? What I'm tasting, Asa?
Yeah. What?
The walnuts.
Yeah.
It's a nice crunchy taste.
Yeah, it's a nice.
And I really like crunches in my food, so that's good.
Look at you.
The black ones are
Yes,
what kind of
this
berry?
is the blue, the red one. Don't take it. So sour.
Ah, okay.
Okay, but you have to taste it when it's like this. Then it's delicious. It's when it's hard.
You mean when it's ready,
It's ripe,
don't do
yes.
it. So guys, we just got some berries and from Aza's garden. And then for my last question, because the day is coming down and we're just gonna relax now because yeah, we did the live and it was beautiful. And I mean, we shared food cultures today. And so for the last question is, what do I have in my pocket? Actually, I don't have any pockets today, so no pockets. I'm free like a bird.